welcome back to Finally Revealed. In this episode, I want to talk about special entries of appearance. I had some questions on one of the most recent videos about someone getting served with a summons for a court proceeding. A summons is a document that accompanies a filing, a petition or a complaint that starts a lawsuit. There are other kinds of process that are served that would be a subpoena or an order. When a summons is served or delivered or reported to have been delivered or handed to someone and it has the wrong name or the wrong address or it's the wrong person, or it was represented to the court that it was given to you but it wasn't. So any kind of defect in service needs to be addressed, but you have to be very careful how you do that. Get an attorney. Do not try to address that on your own. There are technical requirements that each court has for how this would be brought to the court's attention. Generally speaking, they would be called a special or limited entry of appearance. That means the attorney is coming into court on behalf of the person or the company or the entity who supposedly is brought into the case, but they're coming into the case specifically and only to challenge the method of service. So it's very limited. There are specific rules on how that is to be done, and an individual person should not try this on their own. Companies have to be represented by an attorney. A person cannot go into court to represent their LLC or their company or their partnership if they're formed officially. People can go in only to court and represent themselves. They can't represent their wife, their child, or anybody else. So if you are going to try to go into court to represent yourself on a service defect issue, it's not going to be successful. I can just tell you, don't do that. You're jeopardizing making a mistake, and once you enter in, if there were defects in the service, but it really is intended to be you, then you've just entered into the case, and any of those arguments now cannot be brought. So if there is some defect in service, or somebody has reported and maybe they've gone all the way to judgment and it wasn't you or it wasn't done right, you need to get an attorney to go in with a special or limited entry of appearance, or whatever it's called where you live, to address just that one issue. All right? So I hope this was helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions below. Look around the playlist for other related videos, and subscribe, please. And thanks to everyone who has subscribed. And come back and see me next time. Thanks for watching.